Hello guys, welcome back to the programming guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set any song as ringtone on Samsung Galaxy phone. Right, so once you get your Samsung phone, your ringtone is going to be a default ringtone. Default, what does it mean? It means the ringtone that comes with your phone. Right, that's the sound you're going to be having on your Samsung phone. Right, so I'm going to show you how to make your ringtone sound very nicer, and you can add a song to that. So let's get right into the video. So first thing first is you have to open up your phone settings just like this, and you can see the sound and vibration right there. Click on that and you can see ringtone right here. So you click on that and you can see the plus sign above your screen. All you need to do, click on that and make sure you have your mp3 songs saved to your phone already. Right, so this is where all of them are, and all you need to do is you just have to pick on that one. So once you pick on that, it's going to automatically become your ringtone. So let me play it this way. So this is the song I added. So you can see how I did it. Very simple and easy. You just have to tap on this plus sign and pick the particular song you want, right? And you need to click on done. So once you click on done, it's going to be added. So if this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and you can subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.